Good morning, everyone. This is Dr. Deepak Kumar, Professor and Head, Technocrats Group of Institution, Bhopal. Today we will discuss about the acid, base and buffer. This chapter is most important chapter in pharmaceutical chemistry. There are number of drugs those present as a acid or base and in term of buffer. First of all, we will discuss about the basic characteristics of acid and base. Acid are chemical substances. As per the Arrhenius theory, the compound those produce H plus ions are acid. After dissociation, the compound those produce H plus ion are acid. Base, as per the Arrhenius concept, the compound those produce after dissociation OH ion, hydroxyl ion are base. So the compound after dissociation, after degradation, producing the H plus ion are acid and producing the OH ion are base. So this is the basic terminology for acid and base. Now we will discuss about the buffer. What do you mean of buffer solution? Buffer is the mixture of weak acid and its salt and weak base and its salt is buffer. So the basic definition for the buffer is the solution of weak acid and its salt is acidic buffer and weak base and its salt are basic buffer. The buffer solution is the solution those resist any change in the pH upon addition of strong acid or base. Buffer is the solution those resist any change in pH upon addition of a small quantity of acid or base. That means, suppose your pharmaceutical product or buffer, there are no chance in change in pH. Your buffer solution resist any change in pH of your pharmaceutical product. Suppose your pharmaceutical product or buffer, there is no change their basic pH value. Suppose your product are developed for your blood stream, their pH should be 7.4. And suppose any contamination of acid or base and there is no change in pH of your pharmaceutical product for especially in blood stream. Suppose your product are buffered and your pharmaceutical product is not buffered, that means there is lot of chances for change in their pH value. So this is the basic importance of buffer in pharmaceutical product. As a universal truth, as a medical science, all the pharmaceutical products should be buffered with respect to their body fluids. And their resistance capacity, there is no change in pH, is calculated on the basis of buffer capacity. Suppose buffer capacity is strong, that means there is no changes in pH upon addition of acid or buffer. Then buffer are two types. acidic buffer and basic buffer. Acidic buffer, this is the mixture of weak acid and its salt. Example of acetic acid and sodium acetate. This is the acidic buffer. And basic buffer, this is the mixture of weak base and its salt. Example is ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride. And your buffer solution resist your preparation to change in pH. Buffer solution is most important in pharmaceutical product. It increases the solubility of your product. Suppose your pharmaceutical product are buffered, it increases the solubility of your product. It increases solubility, enhance solubility, increase stability. Suppose your pharmaceutical product is buffer, definitely your product are stable for long time. Even it show accelerated stability studies. So suppose you want to stable your product, so it should be buffer. Improve purity. Definitely, suppose your product are buffer, to increase purity of your product. Optimizing the biological activity. I already told you, all the pharmaceutical products are buffered with your respected body fluids. And suppose your pharmaceutical product are buffered with respected body fluids, like pH of the blood is 7.4, and your preparation are buffer with blood, definitely it enhances the biological activity, optimize the biological activity. Comforting body. Suppose your body, your preparation are buffered with your respected body fluids. It is very comfortable, very familiar to your respected body fluids. Like your pharmaceutical product are buffered with your skin. Definitely there is no chance of irritation in your skin when apply on the skin, like your cream, your lotion and other skin product. They are buffered with your respected body fluids, respected body skin. Definitely there is no chance of any type of irritation or inflammation. It's so highly comfortability with your body fluids.